Alright, Math 1073, page 11. And here, let's see the little cartoon. I love these cartoons. It says, confident. Today we're going to run a long distance. And Pudge is like a little worried because he's a little chunky, and it's hard for chunky people to run a long distance if they're not in good shape. So, he's worried. Can I do it? He's thinking to himself, right? You see that there? He's thinking to himself. And it says, he's praying. It's a good idea. When you think something's too hard for you to do, but you have to do it, you gotta pray, and you can be sure God's gonna help you. And so he's thinking, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. And he's breathing hard. But guess what? He finished. I knew I could do it with God's help, and God's always willing to help you if you ask Him when you need it. Okay, so you can be confident, like Paul was. He said, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." That's Philippians 4:13. So just be confident with math. You can do your math with my help and with the Lord's help. Well, with the Lord's help, and He's helping you through me because He's using me, you could do your math. So be confident. Alright, so what does it say here? It says the area in square kilometers of some countries is listed below. Write these numbers in expanded notation by multiplying each digit times its place value using exponents. By multiplying each digit times... You guys remember that? I hope you do. So you've got to know the place values, okay? By this point, to be able to do this, and for it to be easy, you have to know the place values. And it's not hard to memorize them because it's just three numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. And each comma, the heading changes, right? The first comma, it's units. The second comma, it's thousands. The third comma, it's millions. Fourth comma, billions. Fifth comma, trillions. So, ones, tens, hundreds. First number after each comma is the ones. The second number is the tens. The third number is the hundreds. So let's start with the 2. What place value is that? We're going to put parentheses. 2 times... they want us to use exponents. Okay, so you do 2 times 10, and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 6, 2 times 10 to the 6th power. Plus, third parentheses 3, and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 numbers before the 3, so you're going to write times 10 to the 5th power. Then you're going to write 7 plus 7 times 10 to the 4th power. Then you're going to write plus 6 parentheses times 10 to the 3rd power. And then you're not going to write anything else because all this is zeros. That's all that is. Those are all zeros. That basically means that there are 0 units in those place values. Okay? And that's how you're going to do all of them. Very simple. That's how you're going to do Madagascar. You didn't think there was a place called Madagascar. There is. It's not just a movie, Then you got Greenland, New Guinea, Argentina, Angola, Belize. And you should be able to do all of these. I'll do one more for you. I'll do Belize for you, okay? So we start with the leftmost number. And it's 2, so put parentheses, 2 times, and then count. How many numbers are before the 2? 4, so 10 to the 4th power. Plus 2 times 10 to the 3rd power, plus 9 times 10 to the 2nd power, plus 6 times just 10 to the 1st power, so don't even write the 1, plus 6 times 1. That's it. Very easy.